Which Breville Barista Express should you buy this Black Friday? It's a simple question, but with so many options, it's tough to find the right one. Today, we're digging deep to uncover the best choices for you. Product number 1, Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine in Black Truffle is a standout at $699.95. What caught my attention was its ability to deliver specialty coffee at home. If you want cafe-quality espresso without leaving your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. The digital temperature control ensures your water is at the ideal temperature for extraction, meaning better tasting coffee. With over 27,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many love this machine. Now, some people complained about the learning curve involved in mastering this machine. Here's the thing, though, if you're serious about your coffee, this slight inconvenience is a small price to pay for the quality and control you get. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee enthusiast who enjoys the process of making espresso. Skip this one if you want a simple, push-button coffee experience. For the price, you're definitely getting a great value. Now, if the Barista Express seems a bit complex for you, the next option offers a more straightforward approach. Product number 2, Nespresso Essenza Mini. Next up, we have the Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine, priced at $169.99. I was impressed by its compact design and ease of use. If you're looking for quick and quality espresso without the fuss, this is definitely worth your attention. This little machine offers barista-grade espresso with a 25-second heat-up time, which means you can go from craving coffee to sipping in no time. It brews 2 cup sizes with one touch, making it perfect for those busy mornings. Plus, it comes with a starter set of Nespresso capsules to get you going. With a 4.6-star rating from 5,000 reviews, it's clear that a lot of people appreciate its simplicity. However, some users mention that the capsule system can be a bit limiting if you prefer using fresh coffee grounds. Here's the thing though, if convenience is your priority, this isn't going to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and user-friendly espresso machine. Skip this one if you're set on grinding your own beans. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for those who value efficiency. Now, if you're looking to enhance your espresso making experience, the next product will be a real asset. Product number 3, Silicone Bellow for Barista Express. Moving on, we have the Silicone Bellow compatible for Breville Barista Express, priced at just $13.99. This caught my eye because it's a simple yet effective accessory for your machine. If you want to maximize your coffee bean usage, this is worth considering. This bellow allows you to easily clear out retained coffee grounds after brewing, which means you can get the most out of your beans without any waste. Plus, it's made of durable, food-grade silicone, ensuring it lasts through many uses. With a 4.6-star rating from 655 reviews, users are finding it incredibly useful in their coffee routines. Some users have pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to use at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for maintaining your espresso machine and enhancing flavor. This is perfect for you if you're a Breville Barista Express owner looking to improve your coffee making process. Skip this if you're not into DIY enhancements. At this price, it's a no-brainer accessory for your machine. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more high-end, let's take a look at our next product. Product number 4, Coffee Products Steam Lever. Next, we have the Coffee Products Replacement Steam Lever for Breville Espresso Machines, priced at $39. This caught my attention because it addresses a common frustration with steam controls. If you want more control over your steaming, this is definitely worth a look. This steam lever is designed for better grip and control, so you can easily texture your milk without the struggle. It fits multiple Breville models, including the Barista Express, and adds a touch of style with its stainless steel finish. With a 4.5-star rating from 682 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate this upgrade to their machines. Now, some people mention that installation can be complex and may void your warranty. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable with a little DIY, the improved functionality makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy creating latte art and want a smoother steaming experience. Skip this if you're not comfortable with installation. For the price, it can really enhance your brewing experience. Now, if you're ready to take your espresso game to the next level, let's check out the final product on our list. Product number 5, Barista Touch Espresso Machine. Finally, we have the Barista Touch Espresso Machine in Black Truffle, priced at $999.95. What impressed me here is the ease of use combined with high-end features. If you want a fully automatic espresso experience, this is definitely worth considering. The Barista Touch allows you to go from beans to espresso in under a minute and features a touch screen for easy navigation. It has an auto steam wand that textures milk at the touch of a button, making it perfect for latte art. Plus, it heats up in just 3 seconds, so you won't be waiting long for your coffee fix. With a 4.3-star rating from 4,300 reviews, it's a popular choice for good reason. However, some users felt it was on the pricey side for an espresso machine. Here's the thing, if you're serious about coffee and want top-tier performance, the investment can pay off in quality and ease. This is perfect for you if you love coffee and want a high-end machine at home. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. For what you get, it's a solid value for the coffee lover. To wrap things up, we covered the Breville Barista Express, Nespresso Essenza Mini, Silicone Bellow, coffee products, steam lever, and the Barista Touch. Each one has its strengths depending on your coffee needs, whether you're looking for simplicity, quality, or advanced features. Choose the one that fits your style and enjoy your perfect cup this Black Friday.